Welcome. If you want to stay ahead in your job search, enabling email notifications for job recommendations on LinkedIn is a smart move. With LinkedIn's latest update, the process is straightforward and ensures you never miss out on opportunities tailored just for you. Here's how you can set it up on your PC. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Me icon. This is where you manage your profile and settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account management area. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of options. Click on Notifications. This section controls how LinkedIn keeps you updated about new opportunities and activities. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Searching for a Job. Click it to expand more options. Here, you'll see Job Recommendations. This is where you can fine-tune how you receive updates about jobs that match your interests and experience. To make sure you get these recommendations by email, look for the email option and switch it on. Once enabled, LinkedIn will start sending job recommendations directly to your inbox, based on your searches, profile, and activity. With these notifications turned on, you'll be among the first to know when a relevant job is posted, giving you a valuable edge in your job hunt. If you ever want to adjust how often you receive these emails or turn them off, you can return to the same settings area and update your preferences anytime. That's it. You've now set up email notifications for job recommendations on LinkedIn. Stay proactive, keep your profile updated, and let LinkedIn help you discover your next great opportunity. Good luck with your job search.